Hello my lovely viewers, assalamualaikum. This is Musayib Tahsin. How are you all? Hope you are doing by the grace of Almighty. And today we will gonna learn again collocation. In my previous video, I told what is collocation, importance of collocation, why collocation, types of collocation. Well, it's not the end. I come up with another idea with a collocation. So let's get started with this collocation. First one, give. Give away. Give away. Please read it after me. Give away. Now you say, try to say, give away. Very good. Next one. Give toy. Give toy. Please repeat after me. Give toy. Next one. Give someone a ride. Give someone a ride. Please repeat after me. Give someone a ride. Give a call. Please give a call. Please repeat after me. Give a call. Give example. Give example. Please repeat after me. Give example. Next one. Get. Get a car. Please repeat after me. Get a car. Next one. Get a toy. Please repeat after me. Get a toy. Get a prize. Please repeat after me. Get a prize. Get a pen. Please repeat after me. Get a pen. Get a mobile. Please repeat after me. Get a mobile. Next one. Need. Need help. Like someone saying, I need help. Can you help me? Then you will say, of course or sure. Please repeat after me. Need help. Need a rest. Like someone saying, I've been working too much. I need a rest. Please repeat after me. Need a rest. Need a shower. Please repeat after me. Need a shower. Need a car. Please repeat after me. Need a car. Need a mobile. Please repeat after me. Need a mobile. Money. First one, save money. Please repeat after me. Save money. Next one, have money. Please repeat after me. Have money. Next one, get money. Get money. Please repeat after me. Get money. Give money. Please repeat after me. Give money. Next one. Pay money. Please repeat after me. Pay money. Next one. Make. First one. Make something. Please repeat after me. Make something. Next one. Make a party. Please repeat after me. Make a party. Next one. Make breakfast. Make breakfast. Please repeat after me. Make breakfast. Next one. Make dessert. Please repeat after me. Make dessert. And the last one, make decision. Please repeat after me. Make decision. Collocation are used to make sentence even better. So thank you for watching our video. My video. Bye bye.